Welcome to this tutorial. How to fix not getting emails on Gmail. Ever faced the issue of not receiving emails in your Gmail inbox? It happens to the best of us. When your Gmail stops receiving emails, it can be due to various reasons. It could be your account's storage reaching its limit, or perhaps some pesky filters messing up your email flow. So, let's learn and tackle this issue head-on together. Follow the steps as shown in this video, and soon you'll be back to enjoying your Gmail experience hassle-free. If you are not receiving any emails in your web browser, then try to log in to your Gmail account in a different browser. After log in to Gmail in a different browser, click on the Google Apps icon at the top right. Click on the Drive icon from the apps list. Check the storage in the left panel. If your Gmail account storage is full, then it may be the issue that you are not receiving any email. If your Google storage is full, then try to remove some files and free up space for your Gmail account. After deleting the files from your Gmail, click on the trash on the left side panel. Now click on the empty trash on the right top. Click on the Delete Forever button in the alert box to clear the space from your Google account. In your Gmail page, click on the gear icon of Settings at the top right. Click on the See All Settings in the menu list. Click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. If you see a filter or list of filters, then select the checkbox of Filter and click on the Delete link on the right side. Now, click on the Forwarding and POP/EMAP tab on the Settings page. In the Forwarding section, click on the Remove Address to stop forwarding emails. Disable the antivirus or firewalls on a temporary basis, as this may help you to resolve the issue. After performing all the shown steps, try to send an email from your non-Gmail account. Hopefully, you will start receiving the emails in your Gmail account. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.